Let's go over the top country blocking Shopify apps available on the App Store. So let's just dive right into our first one here. This one's a BM Country Blocker and IP Blocker. So you can block unwanted visitors via email, name, or phone number. You can block by country and city or IP address. You can also block bots who use proxies or VPNs. This is going to give you full protection over your store, so you can block those unwanted visitors. The main one we're interested in this video is the country blocker. So you can even block people by state or city. You can have whitelists as well for countries or regions. You can redirect blocked visitors. You can also have a geolocation redirect. So you can redirect customers by their geolocation country. So you can refer customers to their local store. Let's say you have one meant for a specific country in Europe, such as Denmark. You can redirect users from Denmark to the Denmark version of your store. It's also going to give you visitor analytics. So you can see recent visit log details, easily detect suspicious behavior, as well as fast block scammers and suspicious visitors. So in terms of pricing, there is a completely free plan. It's going to have limited country blocking and limited IP blocking. And the premium plan is going to be $2.99 a month, so you can block visitors by email, name, and phone, as well as all the other country blocking and whitelisting. There's also a pay-as-you-go plan based on number of views. It's going to be capped at $4 a month. In terms of reviews, it's sitting a really good 4.8 stars with 35 5-star reviews. Let's take a look at our next app here. This one's Blocky Fraud Country Blocker. So reduce fraud and block IP addresses, countries, bots, and scammers who use proxy or VPN connections. So it's going to be an all-in-one blocker here by geolocation or country, IP blocker, bot blocker, and it's going to have geolocation redirects as well as visitor analytics. So it makes it really easy to import quite a few countries in here quite quickly. You can also block users by IP address. Again, it's going to have that VPN or proxy blocker, stopping bots, web crawlers, and scammers. We're also not blocking harmless bots like Google's, as those will need to be done to index your store. So again, there's going to be a free to install plan on a pay-as-you-go basis with 20 cents per 100 unique usages, capped at $5 a month. There is a 7-day free trial for the basic plan, which is $4.99 a month, giving you all the features mentioned. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 94 5-star reviews. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to track how much profit your store has actually made. It can get quite messy with all your different spreadsheets and trying to pull calculations from quite a few different places. That's why you need to know about Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator available for Shopify store owners, and all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for once you set everything up to get real-time analytics on how profitable your store actually is, letting you understand your true profit, as well as get detailed metrics and analytics so you can make smarter business decisions, as you'll have a clear understanding of your store's financial picture. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok. It's going to include everything in an easy to read and understand dashboard. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly. From there, you can get a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. Let's take a look at our third and final app. This one's going to be geolocation redirect. You can control the geo of your customers, and you can redirect or block specific countries. You can do this with IP addresses as well. And overall, this is what it will look like if a user is trying to log in or access your website from a different region. In terms of pricing, this one has a 30-day free trial and starts at $2.50 a month. In terms of reviews, it doesn't have too many reviews here. It has 2 5-star ones. 3 5-star reviews and 1 3-star review. So not too many to go off there. So this concludes the video on the top country blocking apps available on the Shopify App Store. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.